So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Anupam Rasayan Share. So today we know that it is the listing day of this particular company and it has opened at a discount price near 520 rupees level. So many people got the allotment and they're asking whether it will show any further correction or will it retrace from the particular levels. So we'll try to find out that. So basically today we know that market was also little volatile. So many stocks have shown correction because Nifty was down, Bank Nifty was down. So ultimately each and every stock will show correction, and ultimately the company which is getting newly listed, so that particular company also will be having that pressure. So many people expected marginal premiums, but that also got vanished because of the volatility. So today we'll discuss each and everything, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so starting with Anupam Rasayan, so we know that it is a specialty chemical stock, and you can see today it has opened in NSE with a discount of almost 6.3% against the base price of 555 rupees per share. So basically the price of the base price actually was 555 and it has opened near 520. So roughly you can take it opened at a discount of 6.3% in NSE, and if you see in BSE it stood at 534.70 and it has opened at a loss of 3.6%. I clearly told you can sell either in NSE or in BSE. So it is not mandatory that you should sell only in NSE. So many people are having regarding this also doubt. I clearly explained you can sell in BSE or NSE. But many people have expected a marginal premium of almost 10 to 20%. Okay, so company wise we know that it is a 760 crore company, and if you see subscription also it has got 44 times subscription. And business wise if you see the particular business, you can see it has very good relationships with companies like UPL, Sumitomo, Asia Pacific, and in various geographic areas, whether it may be Europe, Japan, United States, India. So clearly you can see it, and also it operates business through 6 multi-purpose manufacturing facilities in Gujarat and having a good capacity. So business wise nothing fault is present majorly. Only thing is that the sector to which it belongs, sector is also very good, and we know that basically the stocks which belong to specialty chemicals, one important point comes into mind is valuation. Basically we're talking about price to earning. So those stocks which are in these particular sector, they basically be in overvalued region. So that's why due to that overvalued region, the profit booking basically happens at high levels, and we people buy at that particular levels in order to expect much more returns. But again from there we see little bit of big players try to book their profits. So that is what happened today also. So we know that HNIs, we know that they were also in marginal loss. So to cut out that particular loss, so they have also exited marginally. So that way stock has also opened near the discount price. So I'm telling sector wise nothing fault is there, everything is good, company is also good. So nothing major negatives are not there. Only little thing is valuations, and if you compare it with its peer competitors, so they are giving some little, we can say, good returns as compared to Anupam Rasayan. If we compare ROCE, ROE, so these are some important factors that are little more we can say promising in those companies. So this particular company has also potential. I'm not telling that it is not having any potential. So small companies also need to be in your watch list. Only large caps doesn't matter, you need to hold very good stocks also. So this may be one good stock, but if you see little bit of profit booking, and also if you see the market situation currently, little volatile because of various global factors, especially regarding COVID, is altering this particular stock. Okay, so currently if you see the market depth of it, so if you see today's high and today's low, you can see today's low was almost 502.25, and if you see today's high was around 548.95. And if you see market depth, you can see 58.61% right now selling is there, and almost 41.33% buying is present, and current market price you can see it is near 511.45, down almost 7.85%. So it is trying to sustain sustain the 500 rupees level. So clearly you can see from 502 it has started retracing. So ultimately what is the next resistance is the big question. So ultimate next resistance is 555, obviously, because it is the base price. So from there only any further momentum, if it comes, you can marginally remove your quantity and you can hold decent quantity. I'm not telling that completely exit, but you can hold little quantity because this is stock market. So whatever we think, that happens in opposite direction. So many people think we need to sell, but what happens, it goes in the buy direction. So very good news is also bad news, very bad news is also a positive news in stock market. So remember these psychologies, and you can see 555 has a good level. If it goes beyond that little bit, then definitely you can marginally exit, and rest of all you can hold it because it is in overvalued regions. That's why I'm not telling to hold you complete thing. So hold partial, that is well and good. And immediate next support is 500 rupees level. So that these two levels are going to be very crucial for today's trading session, especially for today's volatility. So if it obeys that, then definitely in the coming sessions also we can watch the movement. So not only this particular stock, many things, even Haranba share, when we discuss, continuous fall was seen because that was also in little overvalued region. So depends upon company as well. If company is promoter, if is adding a regular stake, then company will go up. Otherwise the same profit booking happens. HNIs, all the institutional investors, whoever they bought, they'll start exiting. Okay, so this is the basic psychology. Even ease my trip, so when that particular IPO has come, so that also has shown correction. So not all IPOs give return. So when fundamentals are good and when it belongs to a good sector, you need to think twice and hold it. Okay, especially near the levels. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me. So watch the levels 500 as well as 555. So resistance and support. Okay, so these are the important things. You can message me on Instagram as well. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT, and you can join the Telegram group as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.